is Jynell Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on so you get notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I created this rubber band bun. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and part a section from the front from here to here. So now for the front section that I just parted out, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting some small boxes, and I'm gonna add the edge control to the base of the boxes or to the root of the boxes. Then I'm gonna add a rubber band, then I'm gonna connect each ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the entire front section, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create my ponytail to the back. So I'm just using my pick comb to comb everything up so everything is going in one direction. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my Style Factor edge booster to that. Then I'm gonna use my soft bristled brush. Then I'm gonna add a rubber band to that. So now it's time to attach my ponytail or my extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the extension to my ponytail, to the ponytail that I created with my own hair. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping the extension around my hair to create a bun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ear accessories to my ear, and the ear accessories are optional, you guys, you don't have to add it. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.